How's it going, you guys? So what you just saw me do was put on the OEM Emblem matte black layover on the chrome that I had on my 4Runner. I like the chrome, but I like the dark matte black ones better. Very simple. You just use a microfiber towel with alcohol, clean the original emblem off, wait a few minutes, peel the 3M stickers off of the matte black layers, and gently put them on and just press them down. You can see the TRD off-road portion as well. We did the TRD off-road as well. It looks really cool in my opinion. I don't know, put down in your comments what you think. Do you like the chrome or you like the matte black on your 4Runner? Thanks for watching, guys.